Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mercedes-Benz 500e, and we did unbox this same casting during 2023 in both gray and also in black versions. So okay, let me just okay. So again, I didn't buy this from India. I bought it in Malaysia, and I think this is from C case. Yeah. So the paint job looked really awesome. So and this was only one in the box when I bought. But please remember, I didn't actually unbox the entire case. Someone else already did. I just went ahead and picked like uh, from one of the case. Luckily, I was able to get most of the important items. One among which is this one. Okay, let's unbox this now. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So the first impressions of this casting, the paint job looks absolutely amazing. So as usual, we can see some scratches on the windshield, typical Hot Wheels. I can say typical metal. So the good thing is you can see the headlight detailing here. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it is not really well done. So you can see the Mercedes-Benz logo here, and it has rear view mirrors. It does have tail light details as well, including the logo here and everything, which is really nice. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. It doesn't have any details in the chassis, which is really disappointing. And you can see the interior here, which looks really good. Okay, and this casting feels a little bit heavy. So let's weigh this casting. So the paint job is really nice, because it is a glittery green color, and it really pops when you put it under light, as you can see here. It's really nice. Okay, 36 grams. Like I thought I was hoping somewhere around 39, but 36 is also good. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does reach end of the track. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so it does have a little bit of wheel wobble on the front wheels, but honestly it still reaches end of the track without any issue. I mean, I don't have any problem with it. So one more time. You can see here, right? So even though with wheel wobble on the front wheels, it does reach end of the track and it does produce some noise while rolling. I hope you are able to hear that. But still, this is a pretty good casting, and uh, it may not be that much track friendly, but it will look really good on your showcase if you are keeping it like this. Specifically, you can see the greens here, which is really popping, the green and red. So this is going to make one hell of a display piece, if you ask me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.